Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python programming series. In the last video, we covered setting up Python and run our first script. Today, we are going to dive into some essential building blocks in Python, such as data type like list and dictionaries, as well as control flow with conditionals and loops. So first, we are working with list. So list is similar to arrays in other programming languages. They are ordered, changeable, and allows duplicate values. Let's create a list and see what we can do with it. We create a list, fruit list, apple, banana, and cherry. Just print this and run it. And you are seeing here apple, banana, and cherry. And now here the list allows us to store multiple items in a single variable. We can access elements by their index. Here's how you can print the first item of the list. Here the first item is apple, and I just print fruit 0. That means it's indicate the first item, and just run it. Here showing in the result apple. So we can also modify list by adding or removing items. Here, how can we add items to the end of the list using append function and removing an item with remove function? Here I used fruit.append orange and I removed banana. So just run this, and you're seeing here is just add orange at the end, and here banana has removed. So now we are going to introduce to dictionaries. Dictionaries in Python are collection of key value pairs. They are similar to list, but use key instead of indicates, which makes great for storing data in a structured format. Just like list, we can access dictionary item and even add or modify them. Let's get student measure. Here measure name Alice, age 22, measure computer, and this is the results. So we can modify this. Let's modify it. So for that, let's get the student's measure and the object the age. So this is for the print student measure, and student age 23 and print student. Here let's see here student age is 22 and we updated the age by 23. Just run it. See Alice age 23 and measure computer science. So next we're using control flow conditional statement such as if, else, and else if statement. A control flow allows us to make decisions in our code. So let's start with conditional statement like if, elif, and else to check conditions. Here, as the age is 18, we print adult. If we use here the age 17, it will minor. And if we also use here age is 22, the age will be adult. And if we just use here 10, it will say here the minor. Here we are checking the age and printing the difference message depending on whether the age is below or equal or above to 18. Python makes conditional logic straightforward and readable. And now we are talking about loop. Loops allows us to repeat actions. For loop is commonly used to iterate over items in a list. Here's an example of looping through our list of fruit. Let's see here apple, cherry, and orange. This for loop prints each fruit in the loop once at a time. We can also use for loop with other data structure like dictionaries. So for that, just see here for key value in student items, print f key and values, and this is the results. And next, the while loop. While loop runs as long as condition in true. This type of loops is ideal when we don't know the exact number of times we need to repeat something. And here in this example, we used a while loop. Just run it, and you are seeing here hello, hello, and hello. In this example, hello is printed 3 times, as we write here 3, and as we write now, and now we converted the 3 into 4 and run it. You're seeing here hello is printed for 4 times, and if we converted this 4 into 2, and hello is printed for 2 times. Just remember here, while loops need an exit condition, or they could run independently. So in this video, we explored list and dictionaries, 2 essential data structures in Python, as well as control flow with conditionals and loops. These are fundamental tools that we will use in almost every Python project. So make sure you practice it. And that's for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.